While you can control many variables of the tooth generation, Gearify imposes constraints of its own. Tight interior curvatures will limit the length of the involute tooth flanks, or the math falls apart. Other pruning and evening operations may shorten the flanks, as well as the tooth trimming in step 4. In the end, the remaining tooth flanks may be too short. A good way to check this is to render the contact points. You want at least 2 contacts at all time to prevent slipping. The easiest solution is to increase the tooth count so that each tooth spans a flatter curve segment, which should yield more contact. But you may not wish to increase every tooth size, simply to address one problem area, and Gearify is designed to support local optimization. That is where tooth size comes in. This curve specifies a desired relative tooth size along the length of the gears, while also achieving the desired number of teeth. Shrinking the tooth size in tight regions while slowly increasing your tooth count can be a great way to ensure enough points of contact between your tooth flanks without making all the teeth tiny. This curve defines a relative size only. A uniform curve value will yield uniform teeth, regardless of what value it is. Only variations in the curve will vary the tooth size. The curve is uniformly set to 1 by default. Suffice it to say that this curve is sampled everywhere to yield tooth spacings where the relative width of each tooth matches the relative width of the green tick marks that are close to that tooth. Naturally, this is a shared attribute since the teeth in all gears must align.